month is a time for seeking knowledge and wisdom. The sixth month is Jumadul Sani. This month is a time for increased devotion and worship. The seventh month is Rajab. This month is a time for seeking forgiveness and mercy. The eighth month is Shaban. This month is significant because it marks the holy month Ramadan. The ninth month is Ramadan. This month is the most sacred month in the Islamic calendar. It's a time for fasting, reflection, and increased devotion. The 10th month is Shawwal. This month is significant because it marks the Ramzan beginning Eid al-Fitr celebration. The 11th month is Dhul Qada. This month is a time for seeking forgiveness and mercy. The 12th month is Dhul Hijjah. This month is significant because it marks the Hajj pilgrimage beginning Eid al-Adha celebration. Thank you, may Allah bless us all.
حديث من